Hi everyone, welcome to another lesson of Piööc Jiëëŋ. Last time we talked about Akeer Yäu. Today we'll talk about Akeer Yäu. This is how they are written. Akeer Yäu ayaker to alonken kepin kuwaye good name. Akeer Yäu them. So there's 6 of them. The only difference they have with Akeer Yäu is the intonation. So with Akeer Yäu, the intonation is high. With Akeer Yäu, the intonation is lower, but they are written the same. Only difference is the intonation and this dot dot at the top of the letter. So I'll read them. Ha, ha, he, ye, who, he, ho. We'll start with ha. This letter can have different forms in word. It can be single or it can be double. Single is ha, double is ha. Apam, leaf. Cham, food. Ngath, hop. Bar, calm. Dak, exhaustion. Tak, thought. Gar, writing. Amal, lamb. Gao, late. Dar, exhaustion. Nyar, gum. Math, friendship. Will nongij Akeer Yäu ha keke. Ha kuha. Beye cham, bring food. Yengo ngath, what are you hoping for? And chem ithial, I'm eating using a spoon. Amal anywath, the lamb is grazing. Gar apyat, writing is good. Akeer Yäu chol he. This letter can have different forms. He or he. Kwe, eagle. Will, words. King, marriage. Duck, to untie. Deer, dancing. Fear, 10. Quaith, to migrate. Hate, arrival. Way, life. Pen, refusal. So well nongij he kuhe. Myth, atir myth. Kids are fighting for food. Deng Akeer, it's about to rain. Unda ekweth, our cattle camp has migrated. Cho atek, allow me to pass. Fip chwin, taste the food. Akeer Yäu ye, it can either be ye or ye. Singular, double. Dit, seniority. Lim, beg. Ajith, hen. Akem, hospital. Pew, water. Team, sneeze. Cheat, letters. Alir, breeze. Meat, foodstuff. Alik, bat or umbrella. So will nongich I au I. Myth ater myth. Kids are fighting for food. Jiëëŋ yin biet aret. Why are you so quiet? Ring a jith a meat. Hen meat is delicious. Wonong meat juch. We have many foodstuff. Alik ayi ran yenum kum edeng. An umbrella is used to cover against rain. Akeer Yäu ho. Same, it can be ho or ho. Jo, dog. Ko, arm. Chuk, feet. Kut, shield. Tutuk, wound. Roar, man. Mure, oxen. Kur, lion. Dupe, old age. Athur, books. Will nongage ho, ku ho. Mure, apur. The oxen are farming. Jiëëŋ changur. What have you smelt? Gong yuku. Bend your arm. Chul kebe hoot. Call them out from the house. And get a thur. I'm writing books. Akeer Yäu hair can be hair or hair. Wet word. Ateng basket. Touch sleep. Lay animal. Bay houses. Where river. Bear height. Near love. Ger ride. Gay doubt. Will nongage he ku he. Do a catch chook. Don't step on my feet. Reg ato if you eat. Fish lives in water. Jiëëŋ chin wet ye bear. Why are you not responding? Watch kek wai. We are angry at you. Enong wop leth. I have fever. The last one is Akeer Yäu ho. This can either be ho or ho. Hol, long bone. Akol, son. Long prayer. Coach, tailoring. Cow, back. Lor, drum. Luke, earthworm. Chop, squat. A chom, snail. Loam, ribs. Will nongage ho au ho. Long apiath. Prayer is good. Jo anong yol tuk. A dog has one tail. Mayan anyar chop. Mayan likes squatting. Pew are pure. Water has boiled. Antuk lom. And took lom. My ribs are aching. Thank you very much and see you guys next time. Bye-bye.